What's up guys, it's your favorite all home guides back with another cool video for all of us. Today's video is on the top 5 best video doorbells. It may be challenging to identify the most cost-effective products when purchasing various goods. I narrowed down hundreds of products based on a few standards and ranked them in this video to make your decision easier. These are just some of my favorite items that I use on a regular basis. So sit back and relax while I tell you about these amazing pieces of products. Please do check the product link in the description box below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to enjoy more awesome contents like this. So without any delay, let's get started. Number 5. Ring Video Doorbell Pro. We begin with the Ring Video Doorbell Pro. Available at quite a high price, this device might seem like a big investment at first, but it's easily one of the best rated video doorbell systems you can hope to buy right now. Stylish and elegant at first glance, the Ring Pro offers superior performance and capabilities when compared to almost any other video doorbell on the market, starting off with 1080p HD resolution and night vision capabilities. At any time of day or night, the Ring Video Doorbell Pro can be the first line of defense for your property, keeping an eye out in front of your home and boasting a very wide-angle lens with 160 degrees horizontal and 90 degrees vertical field of view. The quality of the visuals you get from this video doorbell is highly impressive, and it's fair to say that the Ring Pro features one of the best video doorbell camera models around right now. This device is fully compatible with Alexa and Echo devices around your home as well, so it's ideal for homeowners who have already invested in various smart home products and want to add a doorbell to their collection. It's easy to install and connect with your other systems, and it comes with a lot of great features like the ability to see, hear, and speak with any visitors directly from your phone or other connected device. It even comes with a lifetime theft protection warranty. You will, however, have to pay a subscription to access stored videos. Number 4. August Doorbell Cam Pro. The third entry on our list is the August Doorbell Cam Pro. Measuring up at just 0.9 by 2.9 by 2.9 inches, this is one of the smallest and most minimalistic video doorbells available right now. It's sleek and stylish, fitting perfectly on any door and offering strong functionality and decent value for money, despite a few minor flaws like quite a high sensitive rating and some difficult with installation, which can vary from user to user. In spite of these minor issues, the August Doorbell Cam Pro has a lot of plus points and is easily one of the best video doorbell without subscription options you can choose. It offers fully free 24-hour video storage to all users, or you can choose to upgrade and pay extra for more storage if desired. Either way, the free storage capabilities of this video doorbell give it an edge over much of the competition, especially when combined with its strong resolution and night vision recording. The August Doorbell Cam Pro is also very well suited to homeowners who already own other smart home devices. It pairs easily with Alexa for voice control and it works perfectly with other August devices too, so if you've already invested in this brand, you'll find a lot to love in the August Doorbell Cam Pro. It comes with a somewhat steep price tag, but its smart features, built-in floodlight, and two-way audio make it a great device to own. Number 3. Ring Video Doorbell 2. The Ring Pro featured earlier in this list, and now we come to the Ring Video Doorbell 2. These two devices aren't quite identical, with the Ring 2 being a little more affordable overall but still offering many of the same features and advantage of its sibling. It comes with total Alexa compatibility, for example, connecting easily to Alexa and giving you simple voice control and easy communication with your guests. In terms of the camera performance, it's clear to see that the Ring Video Doorbell 2 has some of the best doorbell video camera capabilities of any device out there right now. It offers full 1080p resolution, night vision capture, and a huge field of view both horizontally and vertically. It also comes with the unique feature of being wired up to your existing system or running off a rechargeable battery, giving you a lot of flexibility in terms of how you want to use it. Of course, no video doorbell is perfect, and the Ring 2 does have a couple of flaws worth pointing out. Like many Wi-Fi video doorbell models, it comes with a subscription model, so you'll need to pay an annual fee to get access to video storage of recent events. It also has a tendency to be overly sensitive, according to some users, activating and alerting you in cases of minimal movement like cars going past in the distance. Overall though, it performs very strongly. Number 2. Honeywell SkyBell. Made with durability and performance in mind, the Honeywell SkyBell is one of the most resistant video doorbells on the market and can handle even the toughest conditions and climates. It can continue functioning at top capacity in frosty temperatures or blazing hot sunny days and stays strong and solid even in stormy conditions, so it's a great video doorbell Wi-Fi model to choose if you live somewhere with harsh weather conditions. Offering free video storage up to 500 megabytes, the Honeywell SkyBell is also one of the best video doorbell systems without any subscription fees, and you don't have to worry about paying extra just to get access to your recordings. This is a great bonus and really helps the Honeywell offer a lot of value to the user, especially when we add in the fact that this video doorbell records at a resolution of 1920x 1080p and a frame rate of 15 frames per second. The overall quality of the image captured by this video doorbell is always excellent, regardless of the conditions or time of day. The Honeywell SkyBell is very easy to install too in the vast majority of cases, but it does have a couple of minor flaws to consider. The accompanying smartphone app for this device can sometimes be a little slow to actually alert you of people at the door. In addition, the motion sensing can be somewhat inconsistent, with some users reporting that they didn't always receive alerts straight away when they should have. Number 1. Zmodo Snap True Wire-Free Security Camera. If you're looking for a truly wireless video doorbell, look no further than the Zmodo Snap True Wire-Free Security Camera System. A full wireless video doorbell system with a lot to offer, the Zmodo Snap True is one of the easiest options to install, as you don't need to worry about hooking it up to wires or pre-existing chimes and bells. It simply fits wherever you need it and is ready to go within just a few minutes. Highly resistant and weatherproof, the Zmodo Snap True Wire-Free Security Camera System can work well in cold, sunny, rainy, or stormy conditions and is able to record video and detect motion at any time of day or night. Speaking of motion sensitivity, this device has been reported to be a little overly sensitive at times and may send you alerts just due to cars passing by in the street outside, especially if your home isn't too far back from the road. This is only a minor issue, however, and doesn't detract from the overall excellence and quality of this video doorbell intercom system. Offering 1080p Full HD and ultra-wide view recording, the Zmodo is able to capture absolutely everything, recording instantly, saving the footage for your perusal on the cloud without any need for subscription fees, and quickly charging back up to full capacity when the battery dies down. Okay, that's all for today. I hope you liked the video. Please tell us which products you'd like us to review next in the comments section, and don't forget to check out the description box for all the buy links of products featured today. Thank you.